All right, back with another live trading video. We are on GBP JPY for the Asian session. So you got to break the structure to the upside on the 4 hour here. We've had another break structure to the upside on the 1 hour. Pretty strong buying pressure for the past few hours. So that plus me bullish for the 4 hour and the 1 hour. Looking at the 30-minute, we just closed above this high here. We've got liquidity lying just here. So I'm happy to go for longs if we put an equilibrium there. So if we can get a pullback through liquidity and a long position upwards, that would be pretty good for now. So we're also looking at a pretty big 4 hour order block just within here. So if we can get a retracement into the order block and a breaker structure outwards, I'm pretty confident in longs. We've also had a rejection of equilibrium on the daily time frame as well, as you can see here. So we rejected off of equilibrium. So I'm pretty long biased right now. I don't see a reason for us to go short. Okay, so we broke structure to the upside. We're going to go long after sweeping liquidity. Okay, so I'm going to wait for a rejection of the order block and then I'll enter long. We have a rejection. Let's put it down to the 1 minute. All right, so I'm in with both positions right now. Take profit 1 is here. We mark that as TP1. And I haven't put in take profit 2 just yet, but I will probably have it at this area there. Take profit 2 there. So we just had another break of structure to the upside after a few rejections here of the order block. As you can see, we had the recent high here. Close above on this candle here on the 5-minute chart. Okay, so I'm going to change my take profit 2 at the moment to the 4 hour fair value gap because I feel like it just makes more sense. So instead of having TP2 down here, we're going to move it up to this level here at the equilibrium of this fair value gap. We're about halfway to take profit 1. We've just hit take profit 1. We have secured, how much did we just secure? $140. So that's $140 in profit secured. We're moving stops to break even right now. And then we've got take profit 2 all the way up here before our fair value gap for it to run up to. Okay, so it's just past 12:30 at night. So I'm going to go to bed, let this trade run. My stops are break even, take profit 2 set in place, so I can just leave it, wake up tomorrow morning, see what happens. And I will update you with a bit of hindsight tomorrow so we can look back, see what happened. I have a feeling though I'm going to get stopped because I do think we would probably want to push into this 4 hour order block before we move upwards properly and take out TP2. Okay, so it's the next day, and as you can see, we did get stopped out at break even. So total profit on this trade was $140. Not too bad. I'm pretty happy with it just off of TP1. I was kind of right. We ended up retesting the order block, pushed back up, hit TP2,